true colors. So just when you think you're close enough to be brothers, they will come back and cut your throat when you ain't looking. What is money? Money is what makes a man act funny. Money is the root of all evil. Money will make them same friends come back around, swearing that they was always down. But it's like, I'm tired of life. I'm tired of backstabbing ass snakes with friendly grins. I'm tired of committing so many sins. Tired of always giving in when this bottle of Henny wins. Tired of never having any ends. Tired of having skinny friends so on crack and many things. I'm tired of this DJ playing your shit when he spins. Tired of not having a deal. Tired of having to deal with the bullshit without grabbing the steel. Tired of drowning in my sorrow. Tired of having to borrow $1 for gas to start my Monte Carlo. I'm tired of motherfucking spraying shit and darting off. I'm tired of jobs starting off at $5.50 an hour in this boys one, that's why I'm smarting off. Tired of being fired every time I fart and cough. Tired of having to work as a gas station clerk for this jerk breathing down my neck, driving me berserk. I'm tired of using plastic silverware. Tired of working in Building Square. Tired of not being a millionaire. But if I had $1 million, I'd buy a damn brewery and turn the planet into alcoholics. If I had a magic wand, I'd make the world suck my dick without a condom on while I'm on the John. If I had $1 million, it wouldn't be enough, cause I'd still be out robbing armored trucks. If I had one wish, I would ask for a big enough ass for the whole world to kiss. I'm tired of being white trash, broken, always poor. Tired of taking pop bottles back to the party store. Tired of not having the phone. Tired of not having a home to have one in if I did have one on. Tired of not driving a BM. Tired of not working at GM. Tired of wanting to be him. Tired of not sleeping without a Tylenol PM. Tired of not performing in the Pack Coliseum. Tired of not being on tour. Tired of fucking the same blonde whore after work in the back of a contour. I'm tired of making knots with a stack of ones. Having a lack of funds and resort back to guns. Tired of being stared at. Tired of wearing the same damn Nike Air hat. Tired of stepping in clubs wearing the same pair of Uggs. Tired of people saying they're tired of hearing rap about drugs. Tired of other rappers who ain't bringing half the skill as me, saying they wasn't feeling me on the body skill as me. And I'm tired of radio stations telling fibs. Tired of JLP saying where hip hop lives. But if I had $1 million, I'd buy a damn brewery and turn the planet into alcoholics. If I had a magic wand, I'd make the world suck my dick without a condom on while I'm on the John. If I had $1 million, it wouldn't be enough, cause I'd still be out robbing all the trucks. If I had one wish, I would ask for a big enough ass for the whole world to kiss. You know what I'm saying? I'm tired of all this bullshit. Telling me to be positive. I'm supposed to be positive when I don't see shit positive. You know what I'm saying? I rap about shit around me, shit I see. You know what I'm saying? Right now I'm tired of everything. I'm tired of all this prayer that's going on in my own city. Can't get the wrong way, you know what I'm saying? But hey, it's cool though. You know what I'm saying? Just fed up. That's my word.
Fuck me, nigga. Don't fuck. Take it to shorty to try to help him understand. Hit him with work, cause yo, that's my low man. He asked a few questions about the game and I told him. When he made a bad move, it was my place to stole him. Never told him nothing wrong. Kept it fair. Didn't listen, so I might as well have been talking to the air. Everybody makes mistakes. A mistake is I. But if it ain't, I'ma tell you straight. Time to say goodnight. Nobody likes to be played, regardless of the relationship, but shorty's fucking up big time. I hate this shit. I'm caught in the middle of having love for a little nigga, knowing what's expected of me as a real nigga. My next move is crucial. What do? How do I keep it real with shorty and my crew? Didn't want to kill him, so instead of putting the Mac on, I did the only thing I could do, turn my back on him. Here we go again. Same old shit, dog, just a different day. Here we go again. You know how niggas do when we play, how we play. Here we go again. Man's gotta do what a man's gotta do. fuck with wanna get him dead. Killing shorty's people, so I let him live. Under normal circumstances, he would be a marked man. But I hit him with a grand, didn't shake his hand. Go about your business, do what you gonna do. Be what you gonna be, I wash my hands, I'm through. I can forgive, I just can't forget. You're on your own, little man, don't ask me for shit. If you paid attention to what I taught you, then you good. If I see you again, get it. Understood? Your head before I change my mind, you know you should be dead. I just want to say, your head. Instinct told me to kill him, but to save him. I'm a good nigga, plus I owe his peeps a favor. But I also knew the decision I just made went against the rules of the game that we play. Here we go again. Same old shit, dog. It's a different day. Here we go again. You know how niggas do when we play, how we play. Here we go again. Man's gonna do, man's gonna do. Here we go again. So if it's fuck me, nigga, no, it's I should've followed my first instinct, cause I knew. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. Now this nigga's fucking with the competition. Ungrateful motherfucker, shoulda got a miss. This nigga got the nerve to take my kindness for a weakness. Got to get back on some shitty shit so I can creep this rap. When I act, take one, set him up. Take two, get him there, and three, get him done. When it's hard for me to get in,
in the methods where we shop or harvest. Don't ask your father who the farmer from the hill to harbor. You know the saga, marijuana, blunt and gold slugger. With deadly medley, y'all ain't ready for Shaquan and Reggie. Don't even bother. The radio for backup. Alright then, your man got slapped up. Started for his icing. Street life is trifling. Body over here.
of providing high-quality after-school programming, PACE promotes positive outcomes for over 500,000 kids and teens each year. After-school programs transform young people's lives. PACE transforms after-school. Be an after-school ally. Learn, support, and join PACE in this vital work. Google PACE. That's PACE.